This brother has been doing a lot of things, trust me. If you've been watching the gram lately, if you've been out and about anywhere into the cities of London, you know what I'm talking about. With no further delay, let's bring to you Richy is here.
Love, man. Love for having me, bro. Man.
Respect and manners. First, I must say thank you very much for coming through.
Come on.
And you've been just slowly progressing. Because I've been watching your music from the United Vibes. Open mic, and I've seen the growth, step 1, step 2, and you're in a place now where anything can happen.
Anything can happen at any time, God's time, and then
that's right.
See it still, but it's been a grind, man.
It's been a grind, Richy people.
It's been a grind still. Can't lie. What can I say? See, for the last 6 months, last year, I just took a little break. I just went to the studio, but for the first 6 months, you saw me performing, innit?
I saw you performing.
I was doing some open mics. I was like doing my features and that, but dropping some videos, but I had to take a little break. Just watch the game and see how it pans out in it behind the closed doors. You get me?
That's right. People, for those of you watching, if you're wondering, Richy is a type of a rapper where he's more like an old school rapper to me. He's kind of the rapper that where he puts more pen to paper. It's not really the ad-libs guy, because you know most of the rappers now is just mostly about the ad-libs, which is fine. But his thing is more old school. It's more
about the bars, innit?
The bars, innit?
Still, come on, man.
Yeah.
About the bars.
But I must ask you this, because ever since I've heard you rap the first time, I was wondering, what's your mentor in music? Who was your mentor? Who introduced you to the game and let you say, oh, you want to do rapping?
You know what? I started from early. I'm talking like primary school, so no one kind of like brought me into the game. I brought myself in.
Okay.
So like I started writing from primary school.
Who was you watching then?
Who was I watching then? It was old school times, innit? So Styles P.
Styles P, yeah.
Jada Kiss. I like D Block, innit? I say D Block.
Yeah.
That's what I was listening to still. But I started off doing grime at first.
And why you change?
Why did I change? I couldn't tell you why I changed, you know.
It just happened.
It just happened like that still. It just happened. But you know, I met a few people and they told me that I should try everything.
Yeah. Don't
just be in one little, you know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
So like I started doing rap as well. But big up K1 guy, he told me to rap still. You get me? Big up K1 still.
Well, what made this change? Because recently, everything has changed for you. As you said, you took a break 6 months and you came back a whole different person to me. Because we may not talk every day, but obviously I'm a musician and I watch the music and I watch what you're doing and I see the different trends and the type of songs that you're doing. And even your lyrics, to me, when I heard you maybe 2 years ago, I couldn't hear what you're saying. I could have understood it, but now I'm hearing everything more clearly now, and I'm hearing the bars and I'm seeing direction of the music and I'm getting the storyline.
Progression,
you can see that there's growth. Is it that lab rat syndrome where you're sleeping in the studio?
It's the lab rat syndrome, you know. Listen, I was in the studio today. I took my daughter there today, you know what I mean? It was that grand. Like, I took her there today to make her see everything happening, you know what I mean? But I was just in the studio working, praying the game from afar though, seeing what everyone else is doing.
Yeah.
And just kicking back, watching, you know what I mean? So that's what I've done. And like, I don't really pre anyone else's thing.
But the UK is hot right now.
It's hot. It's flames right now. You get me? Flames radio. It's mad right now. It's flames still. So things are happening and like, doors are opening for us as well. So that's good.
Yeah, because everybody is getting a buzz. Everybody is doing it well in UK. And as I was saying to my previous interview that was here, I was saying that the UK is not that hostile against itself anymore. Meaning that there's not too much beef as it used to be. Because there was loads more. Everyone seems like, as a person said, I think it's the money, as he said. The money is opening everybody's eye and everyone's like, yeah.
Because there's money to make in the music game right now, still. Before, there was no YouTube, like, there was no MySpace, none of this Spotify, Instagram. So, like, it was just hard grinding it, dropping the videos wherever you can drop them. Like, spitting in the streets, rapping in front of your friends, putting it on camera. You get me? And then times evolved, man. But now, like, people are making money off iTunes and Spotify, as we say, and man are doing shows now, getting paid big P's, man are touring. Yeah. So yeah, it's good, man. Progression, bro.
Have you done any shows in the last 6 months that you can?
Yeah, I've been doing a few shows with my bedroom Coops.
Coops, yeah.
Yeah, so I've been doing shows with him. We've been in Brighton, we went Bristol, we done a show in Brixton, We done Coco's Camden the other day as well.
Wow, you've been busy, bro.
Yeah, so that was good, man. Yeah, shout out Coops, man, for bringing me still.
There's a video that I've seen you put, is it a video or a picture I saw you put up with some child into a bars thing?
That's my son.
Is that your son?
yeah, it's my son.
Is that a video you're making or something?
That's a big video, but that's for Coops, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a big video. My son was doing some acting in it.
Yeah, because I see the acting.
Yeah.
And right there, I see the storyline and I see what you're trying to say. I haven't heard the song yet. But
Free the youths, their minds.
Yeah.
They got us locked in society. It's crazy. Like the TVs running our kids' minds, the phones, like the things they portray on the internet. It's crazy. So what Coops is trying to say is like, free the youths, their minds. Like tell them the truth of what's going on. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's the basics of the video.
Because I saw it and I'm like intrigued. He's a child in bars. It looks like something from in the olden movie days when there was slavery or something.
Yeah.
Well, I like the vision. And I'm quite very, very, very intrigued to see when the video comes out. How long is it going to be take for the release?
It's going to come out, I think, in the summertime still.
Summertime.
Summertime.
Anything that you're working on now and new material?
Like I said, I've been in the studio, so I've got a bag of tunes I'm sitting on right now. I've got like 3 videos that I've shot already. I should be dropping something which is going to be a surprise, which is going to be like, I think this week or next week, the latest.
Yeah.
But it's a big surprise before I start doing my campaign and stuff. But I'm going to drop that first as the intro to the year. And then once that drops, that's it, bro. We're in.
How do you see yourself working with in for the next, say, 5 years?
Where do I see myself?
You're working as an established artist. Which artist would you like to work with?
What I like to work with? What I like to work with in 5 years' time?
You can go big, you know, brother. You don't have to think the small.
I don't even know right now. Still. There's a lot of man running from my mind right now. There's a lot of man still. But 5 years is a long time still.
It's a long time still.
A long time.
But I see you making it big before that still. Because you're slowly progressing. You just need that one song.
One tune, bro.
To get that highlight. I'm like that. You know, I used to know Richy still in there from the ends. Because you know what I like about you? Because you go to like these open mics and you do it organically where people can see. Because most of these artists, you just get up and you say, oh, I'm an artist. They stay in their house, they stay in the bedroom, and they do it on social media. They're not physically out there trying to make people like. Because if you didn't go to that open mic, I would never know who was
exactly my point. And that was the grind. That's when I was doing the grinding, when I was doing shows. So I was going to open mics. But then time that I found a manager.
Yeah.
So they were just telling me, yeah, go to these open shows, just show your talent. Doesn't matter if there's 10 people in there. Like you never know. Like in next year there could be bare people watching. You know what I mean? So I said, you know what? Let's just go do the thing, do the open mics, and get that out of the way, get the practice. You get me? And then that's it, man.
And some man putting in some work, yeah?
Yeah.
Putting in some work, bro.
Yeah, some whole lot more work leave for do this year still.
A lot of work.
Yeah,
trust
so
me.
What's the next move like in terms of like promoting yourself, building yourself as a brand?
Okay, the next move I'm dropping a project called Jigsaw. I should be dropping that by March, but that's like a piece of the puzzle where like there's pieces of my life getting pieced together, innit? So it's a jigsaw. But that's gonna make up my whole ego, and that's the next project coming after the Jigsaw. But I'm working on that now. Jigsaw's basically finished, so I'm working on the next album after that right now. So I'm ahead of myself right now.
Wicked. Anything else?
No, that's about it, you know. I don't really interview too much. Here. Alright, are you with her, yeah?
Yeah, come on, bro.
Come on. But alright, you know what we're gonna do here? We are short on time, and normally we would go a bit longer and do the whole shebang. But Richy is here, and trust me, when I say old school rapper, this brother is proper old school. He's not none of these new little yeah, and cut. No, this is real bars right here in Flames Radio.
Bars.
So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna turn it over to Richy right now. We're gonna give him a minute or two. He do whatever he wants. It's his studio. Flames is your place, my brother. It's all up to you. Richy
already
people.
know. Bars.
Yo. Put me on the spot. Yo. Listen.
KK on the beats.
Rapping with this flow that I was blessed with. Spray like a tech dust, some man that make your head spin. You can bring your best shit. I'm yapping that for breakfast. When they rap it's like there's no Wi-Fi, there's no connection. You're just not effective. When I'm a teacher, couldn't test me. The only man I trust is that man in my reflection. Cause I've been on my job, you've been chilling watching Netflix. You man are local young thugs, so fuck you and your best friend. But this is like work, I ain't at my best yet. I told you that this like works, I'm getting all my blessings, writing down all my confessions. I know the true religions of my gene, there's one God, but we serve in different methods like living on the brick. Cause the past didn't exist, it's what it is. The history repeats, it's how we live. It's with the F you know about love. You kill a brother, that's your blood because we won. Don't forget the fact we were the ones in cuffs, brother. Same shit, different day, nigga. All the weed in my wrist, that's my pain, nigga. Shots fly, feeling like I'm living in the Western. And mums cry, what do you know about pain that is endless and it's sunless? Half of them are blind and racing gunmen. I got shit sitting on my conscience. Yo, I got brothers cool, getting guala in a trap. But this rap shit, I got the end sitting on my back and getting rid of pain slowly. I'm grinding on my lonelies, it's Baghdad. Brothers wanna rise it like a trophy. I'm hanging with the lighters, but the devil wants to hold me. He's nothing but my heart's too clean. I ain't the old me. Old friends wanna holler man and follow man on Insta and Snapchat. And I ain't even mentioned in my Twitter. Look, I can see the king up in the mirror. On my shot in the belly, you're the beast, you're a kipper. I remember all the nights, I was trapping on the back road. Remember all the nights, 2 swammers in the 7 getting flashbacks. We can get pulled in any second, I'm a sinner. I'm still hoping that I make it up in heaven, nigga. Mix, Ross, yo. Yo, man, they put me on the spot, cuz.
Right now, it's rapids in a fam.
Radio still, come on.
Hot in a.
Yo. We got the Fox fam locked in. Come on. Like, every time I step inside the booth, it's like a ritual. Can't rely on hope, guess I'm praying for a miracle. Shit, rappers rapping, body bag and mind feeling on. It's bad time that I drop these bangers, what I'm sitting on. We all know the hard work pays, I'm on a million. I got faith doing it big, I'm on what Diddy's on. You couldn't walk a day in my shoes, you couldn't fit in them, told H&M. I'm an effing monkey feeling brilliant. Get me on a track, that's a privilege. I don't give a fuck with, ooh. I can't be swearing on I'm playing radio though.
I tell you what, you got a yellow card, alright? So you're gonna have to do something else for me. You're gonna have to do something else for me, alright?
What's that, bro?
You're gonna give me a 16 a cappella.
16 a cappella?
Yeah. I'll put you on the spot, alright?
I
think we should close there. Put you on the spot.
Listen, yo. Every time I step inside the booth, it's like a ritual. Can't rely on hope, guess I'm praying for a miracle. Shit, rappers rapping, body bag and mind feeling on. It's about time that I drop these bangers, what I'm sitting on. We all know the hard work pays, I want a million. I got faith doing it big, I'm on what Diddy's on. You couldn't walk a day in my shoes, you couldn't fit in them, told H&M. I'm an effing monkey feeling brilliant. Get me on a track, that's a privilege. I don't give a F who they thinking my competition is. Male rappers wearing a dress, you niggas feminine. I'm old school, you niggas know Lana, y'all know who Menace is. Brothers talking crazy like I won't pull up with adrenaline. Leave a nigga wet, you got F and need some Wellingtons. They're calling me the one like Heady is. That's probably the reason why they're envious. Rapping like the best out, they need to let the rest out. Calling with my Chinese plug, I call him John Tao. Never bring their ends down, always on the up bro. In it for the long run, no game, this ain't a console. I need M's like Honcho. I remember trapping at that punto, burning on some unto. Now I got dreads, no cornrow. You ain't got a gun, it's a front, bro.
See, and that was fresh. Because he even had the H&M slogan into the H&M monkey thing as well. So
yeah,
I was looking. So people, remember you can find him. Where can we find you in social media? Where you can find
you can find me on Instagram, official Richy15. The same on Twitter. If you want me on Snapchat, Richy15th, which is Richy15th.
Dragon, any last things before we go?
Yeah. Your Snapchat born fam? Is one of them born Snapchat there?
Nah, live man.
It's live, yeah? Cause peer up and beer things, yeah?
Add me up man, beer things happen.
I don't Richy on Snapchat man, when I'm live Snapchat them man, you can be a laugh at daytime, you know? When the woman stress you gotta work on them somebody. Yeah, laughters.
That's right. Alright, thank you very much for joining us this week. This is the Upnlive show. Remember you can log on to the website www.worlmagtv.com, click onto the Upnlive tab and you can see all the previous videos. Remember, like, share and subscribe.